The Boxster headlamp is a somewhat complicated piece of equipment. In Image A, to replace the bulbs inside the assembly, first attach the end cover by squeezing the tabs on both sides, one side shown with green arrows. Image B. These are the adjustment wheels and can be turned by inserting a 5mm hex head tool through the access hole located in the chassis. Red is the fog lamp adjustment, yellow, left-right adjustment, blue, up-down adjustment. Image C. The turn signal parking lamp bulb is accessed through the bottom of the assembly. Image D. The two halogen bulbs are clipped into the rear of the lamp and are easily accessible once you remove the end cover. Do not touch the bulbs with your fingers as the oils in your hand will damage it. The purple arrow points to the access hole you used to replace the fog lamp bulb. Installing the headlamp back into the car can be a bit tricky. In Image A, the headlamp mates with the carrier plate, green arrow, and the harness connector. A bar integrated within the carrier plate locks the headlamp assembly into place. In Images B, C, and D, the three circular tabs on the headlamp assembly fit into three channels located on the carrier plate. It's important to look carefully as you install the headlamp to make sure that these tabs are properly aligned in the channels. With the assembly pushed back into the fender, use the headlamp tool from your Boxster toolkit to lock it in place. If you don't have this tool, you can always use a 5mm socket. With tool facing upwards, rotate it towards the rear of the car to lock it into place, or rotate it towards the front of the car to unlock it. New side marker lenses take about 1 minute to install. I prefer the clear ones with orange bulbs. Simply reach in and pull on them to remove the lens, then unclip the harness by pressing on the thin metal clip. 2005 and later cars have an additional screw located in the wheel well that needs to be removed. For some reason, the amber US lenses that are stock equipment just don't cut it. In order to maintain legal standards, you must run orange bulbs inside the lenses. This can cause the lens to take on an orange hue. There's a product out there that I recommend called Stealth Bulbs Insert that is available at Pelican Parts. These bulbs are silver coated on the outside but glow bright orange when electricity is applied. They look clear when installed in the clear lenses but retain the orange illumination required for US roads. The removal of the rear tail lamp assembly is easy. Simply remove the 4 nuts that hold the rear assembly, purple arrow, and then push out the assembly and pull from the opposite side, lower left. If all you need to do is change bulbs, then press the lock tab and remove the bulb carrier from the back of the tail lamp assembly. To change the bulbs in the third brake lamp, put the roof into the surface position. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. Then you release the 2 screws on either side of the lamp. Unplug the harness connector, and then you should be able to unsnap the bulb carrier from the rear of the lamp. Be careful not to break any of the delicate plastic tabs on the bulb carrier. Also, when reinstalling the lamp, pay close attention to the 2 screws. They have a unique system of securing the lamp to the chassis. Push the screws and their rubber washers into the hole in the chassis and then tighten them only slightly to make the screws expand the rubber and become snug in their holes. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.